Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix blank white desktop shortcuts in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to bring up our File Explorer. So by that, you can tap it here at the taskbar, or you can simply press Windows and letter E key together as an eagle, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. So here, please proceed at the left side or at the left pane and proceed with your C drive or local disk under this PC. And here, you need to proceed with the upper center of the screen. You can see there an option called View. Click on it, go with Show. And here, you need to check this hidden items. Once you're done, you need to proceed with the file folder named Users. Double tap to it. And here, you need to select your user account that is being currently logged in. So check at the start icon and check if what user account is being currently logged in. Once you're done, you need to select it, double tap to it, and here at the user account that you have logged in, you need to proceed with the first file folder named app data. So double tap to it, and here it will show you three file folders. Proceed with the first one, which is local. Double tap once again, and under the local file folder, you need to look for icon cached. The next thing that we need to do is we need to do a right click and click on this delete icon. Once you have deleted it, close the window and proceed to the task manager. So how we can do so? At the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up and click on task manager. Once you're done, you need to proceed at the left side of that. And if you don't see any of the options like this, you need to click on the three lines here to open the navigation. Once you're done, you would be able to see the processes. Here, you need to expand it first and look for your Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running the apps or it might be running under the Windows processes. So please scroll down or you can simply use the upper search bar here and type for Explorer. And in that way, you would be able to bring up the Windows Explorer. All you need to do is you need to do a right click and click on restart. Once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, wait until it will be done and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.